Hey, look at this. It's a mini bed type 100 watts subwoofer amp board from VI Audio. And they used to send me this board via courier to introduce to you all about the special feature that they used to claim about the performance of this board. So let's take a close look and then we will check the board with a 10-inch sub and then 12-inch sub. So you can see it's a small board. There's a filter circuit also included within this board. There is a power indicator, a dual supply connection plus minus ground, and here is the speaker connection, and there is the input. The signal input should be connected via a 47K dual control. They claim that you can use any size of woofer like 10-inch, 8-inch or 12-inch. To identify the circuit, I need to unscrew all this and then only I can trace the circuit and find out which type of circuit is this. And there's no need to go after that. We just need to try to figure out wherever you can make use of such a smaller subwoofer board. This board must be a better choice for a car audio. There is no need to solder any points. You can just screw all the wires, plug in all the wires and play. This wire also comes with the board while you purchase this board. You can see I have connected a volume control and there is the input coming from my laptop, and just simply I'm gonna play with the 10-inch subwoofer first. After that I will be playing a 12-inch JBL. So here I am connecting it like this. You can see input is done. Now I'm gonna connect the dual supply and speaker. For the dual supply, here you can see a transformer dual supply is here. And simply I wired a transformer with the rectifier and capacitors, made a dual supply. That's all, just for the checking purpose. So let me connect and we will play it. I'm gonna power it on. You can see an indicator here. There's a LED there. If the power is correct, then the LED will glow, or else the board will blow. Yeah, LED is ready. The connections are ready, I think. Let me check. Yeah, everything is fine. Now let me play the music. So I have played the music. Let me slightly increase the volume. Here is the sub. Let me increase a bit more. Let us check how much it can handle. So the power supply is just 3 ampere. 27 3 ampere. It is as the power is dropping. Now let's check with the JBL 12-inch subwoofer. Please wait. Use your headphones. That's fantastic. Wow. Can't sit here. That's so. Let's take a bass drop, please. So that's all from me to show you about, to describe you about this board. If you are interested in such a bass, just WhatsApp them and do the rest. So the board is from VI Audio. It's 100 watts, working at 27027, 8 ampere, 6 to 8 ampere, and you can use SMPS or transformer supply. The performance shown just now, and I'm satisfied. It's working wonderful. I think the price is around almost 900 plus, with including courier charge it may be around 1000. If you are assembling amplifiers for sale or for anything, then you can also try this special board, bed type, mini bed type VI Audio subwoofer amp, 100 watts subwoofer amp. It's a pair of 52001943 transistors. I think I have introduced one of the stereo board of the same type, bed type stereo board. You can watch the video by clicking here in the I button.